2940 East Camino Juan Paisano is an impressive 6-bedroom, 4-bath home in the Tucson Foothills. It's close to downtown and the University of Arizona. There are lots of recreation activities close at hand, and the 100-mile bike trail system is minutes away. The 5,000 square foot home is situated on a generous 1.45 acre lot and has a paved loop driveway and portico. Of course, the Santa Catalina Mountain views from this stately home are a sight to behold. There's also a pool, spa tub, and putting green in the very private backyard. Let's go inside and take a look at this impressive foothills home. If you'd like more information about this fine home or any Tucson real estate, then please contact Wendy Winters of Russ Lyons Sotheby's International Realty. Thanks for watching.